So I want to talk about how you can start a simple business online today and make money from it. So one business that I'm recommending you guys to go and start is print on demand business. So it's like this drop shipping business, but this one is very lucrative business that you can start today, and it's very simple to start. Only what you just need to do is to know how to read and write, and you need to have internet connection, have a smartphone or computer, and you can do this. So there's a lot of website that will allow you to do this. So there's a website like Redbubble. You can do this on Redbubble. You can do this on Etsy. You can do this on Gelato if you want. So all these websites I'm measuring, the links of all the whole website will be in the description. You can go and check them out and see if it's something that you want to do. So how does this business model work? So how it works is that it's very simple. How it works, the first thing you need to do is to go to Canva and create a design of a t-shirt that you want to publish on that your website. So once you have come up with the design, you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a title and description about this particular product. So once you have gotten the title and the description, what you need to do is to go to one of the websites, which is FC, or you can go to Redbubble, or you can go to Gelato, create your shop there. Once you have created your shop, you can add in your product. Either you can add it from the collection and the style of clothes that those companies that have measured, which is Gelato or Redbubble, add in your design with the clothes that they have, or you can upload your own design. Once you have published this product on one of these companies, let us say we'll use, for example, Etsy. So you are publishing the product on Etsy and you have the link of that your shop. What you need to do is to upload like 4 or 5 style or design of t-shirts. So what you need to do is to create your TikTok account. Once you have created your TikTok account, you have to create your Facebook account and you need to create your Instagram account. So with these 3 accounts, what you need to be doing is that you are going to be posting short videos. Created this your shop on this platform, you have added your products, and you have created all this your social media. What you need to do is to go to Canva and create a very simple reels. Very simple reels. You can post this your reels on your reels area and you can publish it on that your blog feed. So on your post feed, and people are going to interact. People are going to ask for the type of product that you are publishing every single day. What you need to do is to repeat this again and again and again, and you are going to find yourself making money with this strategy. So how it works, once they purchase the product, all you need to do is to go and order the product from where you created the design, either from Redbubble or Gelato or Etsy. And once they have ordered it, then you can now get the money and order the product from where you created the design from. And that is all you just need to do. You are not going to be thinking about the shipping, the shipping cost and all these other things. You have already entered the price of what you want and you have purchased it and you have ordered the product from the supplier, and that is all you just need to do. And they are going to receive their product and they are going to be happy, and you are going to be generating income. As long as you keep in repeating the strategy of what I just talked about, you are going to find yourself making money with this print on demand method. So go right now and try this method out. It's very lucrative business that you can start today and make good amount of money from. There's a lot of people that don't know about this, and now you know about it. All you just need to do is to go try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section, guys, about what you think about this video. And if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, or you want to make money by investing, you can click on the first video with investing, or you can click on the bottom to make money with affiliate marketing. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video, guys. Peace and stay safe.